I'm gonna move up.
I can't make it obvious. Here, you gotta do it.
Here.
Take your dice.
Arthur, stop moving.
I thought it was like an automatic thing that the stuff comes out and goes in your car. And you have the light too, that way they can see.
It's okay. They know this is dumb.
Lonnie, can you try Can you ask her why they made it backwards, please? Please, Lonnie.
I'll ask her.
Can I get more taco sauce?
Mild.
Mild, please.
Ask her why is it like that. Honey, please do it. Just say it. This is so inconvenient.
Thank you.
Hey, did you pair any?
Yeah.
Wait, move up so Alyssa can be by the window.
Oh, excuse me. Excuse me.